Hi, it's Chris from CJT Digital. Thanks for viewing our video on our multi-channel selling website. So here it is. What exactly are we proposing here? It's quite simply, we produce you an e-commerce mobile responsive website, best in class, feature-rich design, easy to use, easy to navigate for the consumer, integrated credit card payments, etc. But it can sell out, obviously, to Amazon and eBay in those channels. So your products can all be configured in this central place, and you manage all your images, your media, even music, video, if you want that related to your products, and all your stock and pricing is all maintained on this core website. Obviously your orders and your sales are all tracked here as well. So if you create a product here, you can feed out to Amazon and eBay accordingly, automatically. Now we'll come on to the features of selling on Amazon and eBay that are part of our multi-channel selling website proposition. But first, let's just talk about selling directly to web visitors. This is where most people are with their e-commerce site. And this, to be honest, is where most people fail because they're not selling in these channels. So they're relying on visits coming in and selling direct. Now that's fine, and it's still valid. That's an e-commerce pure play model. But you need to be here, you need to be on Amazon, you need to be on eBay. You need to take your products to where everyone else is. But let's just talk about the features of the core website that makes selling direct possible, and on Amazon and on eBay, but we'll come on to those in a bit more detail. So the core of the site is as follows. So we can obviously sell at one price to direct customers over here when we drive visits in from SEO and PPC, referral, or whatever other traffic direct. And the core features are things like, you've got branded PDF invoices and packing slips, give you that professional edge. You can build unlimited products in the system, so you might start with 100 today and be at 10,000 by next year. Always we provide a secure socket layer, HTTPS for customer confidence, and we integrate with Stripe for credit card and PayPal, and we can later integrate with Amazon Pay and Apple Pay should you want to go down that route, which we would advise. Now you can decide if you want your channel products to be viewable to direct customers or not. So you can sort of make private products. So those products can only be listed on Amazon and eBay, or just Amazon or just eBay, because you might have different price points, or it might not fit your core proposition of your website. So you might be selling pet products on your pure play website, but actually you might be actually selling some other products not related to your brand proposition of pet products. I don't know what it might be. You might be selling something like printer paper or something completely different, but you can still use this central website. Even though it might be a pet store, you can still sell non-related products through these channels. It gives you that central point to do that. So just carrying on, the website we build is naturally easy to optimize for SEO, and we can do that as part of a managed service or training to do that. And now shipping is a big area that you have to get right in pure play, because you can come unstuck with charging too little or too much. So there's lots of options within the system for free rates, threshold rates of shipping based on how much is in the basket, or certain types of product, or flat rates, specific products, etc. So you can keep on top of that and not fall foul of, say, shipping to Guernsey and Jersey and paying for just a UK delivery cost, etc. And of course, as you'd expect, I should say, your website is a multi-user access control with a very easy to use web admin, and you can literally run it from the palm of your hand. So that's selling direct. That's the core features that enable you to sell direct. And let's just have a focus on selling through Amazon. Now this is where it gets interesting, because your core website enables you to create a product over here, sell it direct if you want, but you don't have to, just sell it on Amazon, for instance. So the automated system that we build for you actually can maintain the lowest price information automatically if we want it to on Amazon. So if you've set your price at $9.99 over on your website, but actually a competitive product's at $9.97, then we can set a rule that will reprice that accordingly. Now, stock quantity in your website will be reduced when we sell on Amazon. That's a given. We can create new product pages on Amazon, obviously with the product configured here, which is very easy to configure the product on this system as opposed to configuring direct on Amazon, which is quite cumbersome and time consuming. So things that enable you to do it quickly over here, things like, you know, duplicate product and replicate products and stuff like that, which you can't do on Amazon easily. So you can use this SKUs and the product title. You can match on custom attributes. You know, we can even support FBA through the system. The inventory on Amazon, when a product is sold, say from your direct sales over here, can automatically update. We can create variations from Amazon as variable products in your website. So we can, you know, backwards feed, if you like, from Amazon variations to create products in the website. Using website attributes, so attributes given to products like size, color, weight, etc., can all be matched to Amazon in the feed, so that all feeds in properly. And the system will fetch and display any quality alerts, so we can fix them back here. We can add more images or more description that's missing. And there's an automated repricing tool as well. So combined with the feed system and your central e-commerce site that we build you here, you've got a fully automated route to selling to Amazon. So you don't have to list products over here and then recreate them over Amazon. This system is doing it for you. And the same goes for eBay. It's exactly the same. There's just a few more features because of, you know, the eBay specifics. So when you create a product on here, you can create, well, you can do a template where you can choose color, you can put custom code in and more. So your products are listed with a template around them that is branded. And you can manage any number of listings from your website. So any product can be listed. You can say list all products or just list a few. And this profile, you know, can be applied to core products. So if you're selling shoes, you might have a shoe profile and it lists and has a look and feel related to shoes. If you're selling trousers, it might have a slightly different one, etc. You know, before you submit to eBay, you get a verification alert and typical expected listing fee. So that's good before you proceed. Listing templates can be downloaded as zip files. That's just a useful thing if you're regenerating on another website. Any you know, orders sold or, you know, products sold on Amazon, you can create orders back on your hub website, obviously, because you want to use this with your PDF invoices and templates to fulfill. And you know, you can sync the inventory between eBay and your website. Obviously, if you've got 10 over here on eBay and you've only got 9 over here, then you want it synced so you don't, you know, fall foul of being out of stock. With the system, you choose categories from eBay and your eBay store. You can map your custom categories to eBay categories. You've got shipping options, national and international supported, and calculated shipping options based on weight or volumetric. It even supports best offer options and private listings. So, as well as supporting product variations, split testing, we can create a custom listing template using the built-in website editor, and it's got, yeah, this built-in editor's got HTML, CSS syntax highlighting. So your website is your core for your product. You choose which channel you want to sell on. It manages all your stock and inventory and pricing, backwards compatible, and all your orders are created and generated through here. So you get one master place in which you manage sales through channels. So if you're interested, please fill in the form below. This is a great system we can build for you. Like I say, most people are still operating just selling here on the pure play. We would call this pure play e-commerce, and it's becoming tougher and tougher. You need to be selling on Amazon and eBay. I mean, just for instance, Amazon, you know, facts and figures about Amazon, they are possibly the biggest search engine for products now, bigger than Google, because it's known that 50% of searches for product, that is, start on Amazon. It's not for everything, but obviously for product, this is where there is a massive market potential. So thanks for that, and we look forward to helping you with your Amazon selling or your multi-channel e-commerce selling, and please get in contact. Bye for now.